Are you ready to unlock your future? At Carroll County Schools College and Career Academies, we're empowering students to graduate ready to be enrolled, enlisted, or employed and engaged in their community. Through our 2 campuses and strong community partnerships with organizations like Tanner Health, Southwire, the University of West Georgia, and West Georgia Technical College, students gain hands-on training and real-world experiences. They get a jumpstart on their careers with dual enrollment, internships, and Junior ROTC experiences. In high school, each student chooses a career pathway based on their skills, talents, and interests. We're preparing students to excel no matter which way their path leads.
I had to find a career that I wanted and I liked, that was meaningful and impactful. The CCA offered different pathways for you to look at and explore. They taught me so many skills, interpersonal skills, leadership skills, interview skills. To this day, I'm so grateful for the time and experiences I was able to have while I was there. I got more into my early childhood education class, and they sent us to elementary schools. And the first elementary school they sent me to was a kindergarten classroom of all places. And I fell in love with it. Without the CCA, I don't know if I would be where I am today. I really, truly don't think I would be.
Discover your potential, explore your passions, build your future with Carroll County Schools College and Career Academies. Visit carrollcountyschools.com to learn more.